Horses out, we have Magic Mings, best to begin commodity, haha. Moving up on the outside now is Breath of Love, Queen Star, Queen Cuba, ready to rumble, we believe, Zelenstein and Sweet Kid. In that order, into the turn they go, commodity is running by the rail, in the middle is, haha. Moving up on the outside third, Breath of Love, Magic Mings is racing in fourth. Then followed by Queen Star, ready to rumble, we believe, Queen Cuba, Swift Kid, and Silent Sign, they swing into the back. And it's still commodity by about 3 lengths. Magic Mings, Breath of Love, haha, in the middle. Then racing in fifth now is We Believe alongside Queen Star, ready to rumble, Sweet Kid, Queen Cuba, and Silent Sign inside the tres octavo. Commodity by about 3 for Balenga. Breath of Love now in second. Magic Mings. Haha, moving up Queen Star. We Believe. Sweet Kid. Down on the inside. Finds an opening. Commodity. Breath of Love. Sweet Kid. Now moving up to take third. Then followed by Haha. They come down at the last 200. It's now Sweet Kid, followed by Breath of Love on the outside. Commodity, We Believe, but it's still Sweet Kid, followed by Breath of Love. And nearing the finish line, it's Sweet Kid. Second, Breath of Love, ready to rumble. Commodity, then comes We Believe.